Hello everyone, welcome to this question. This is 2024 question 1C. So I wanted to use the same paper that I used to solve the question 1B so that you will see how transitioning to different questions or different sub questions from the same question you can do it. So since I've done the 1B here, I don't have any portion to do the 1C here. So I'll come and write my question number at the top as 1, then I'll put C here. Once I've written question 1 here, it means I can't do question 2 here. No other question can be here. It doesn't matter the space that it takes. Even if it takes 2 lines, you are still to leave this place blank because you have written just 1 here. Numbering your work is very important. Now this question says that copy and complete the 3 by 3 magic square such that the sum of the numbers in each row, column, and diagonal is equal to 21. So we have this 3 by 3 magic square, and we have to make sure that the sum on the row, which is this way, column, that is vertically like this, and diagonal, this, all the sum should be 21. It said copy and complete, so we need to draw the magic square that they gave us. So let me even write the 3 by 3 magic square at the top like this. So 3 by 3 magic square. Before I even start drawing. Right, so I'm going to use 2 lines for each. Whenever you are drawing any table, make sure that the table is complete. So you don't draw and leave the lines at the top. Even though the lines are drawn in black, you still have to draw them. Alright, so I've drawn my magic square, but the values that they have inputted by default is 10 at this side, 3 here, and then 7 here. So we have to find the value here, 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 and here, and here as well. So I can even do my rough work here. You can decide to do it in your question on your question paper. You can also decide to do it here. So I'm going to write rough work. Rough work here. Then I know that they said the sum on the row, column, and diagonal should all be 21. So it means that 10 plus 3 plus the number that will be here should give me 21. So in that case, it means when I add these 2 numbers and I subtract it from 21, I should get the number that is here. That is what it means. So I'm going to do 21 minus 10 plus 3. And you know 10 plus 3 is 13. So if I subtract 13 from 21, what is it going to give me? That is 8. If you subtract 13 from 21, it is going to give you 8. So you write your 8 here. You can even underline it for clarity. Then let's go to any other next one. So we have 2 here, so it means we can find this as well. So the same thing that we did, you can see that 21 minus 3 plus 7, and 3 plus 7 is 10. So if I subtract it from 21, that is going to give us 11. So here is going to give us 11. You can underline that also nicely. Then on the diagonal this way, we have now gotten 8 here, we have gotten 7 here. So it means we can use these two values to find the one here. We can say that 21 minus 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 will give us 15. So if I subtract 15 from 21, I'm getting 6. So it means this side is also going to give us the number 6. And you underline that nicely. When this happens, it means now we have 2 numbers here, so we can also find this number here. So you can see that 21 minus 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So if I take 16 from 21, it is giving us 5. So the number here should be 5. Underline that for clarity. Now I have 2 numbers here, 5 and 7. So it means I can find the number on this in this grid. So 21 minus 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 21 minus 12, that is giving us 9. So I can write my 9 here. Then you can either use these 2 numbers to get this one, or these 2 numbers to get this, or these 2, 10 plus 7, then you subtract it from 21. So let's use 6 and 11. So we have 21 minus 6 plus 11. If I add 6 to 11, it is giving me 17. 21 minus 17 will give us 4. So it means this box is also going to be 4. Alright, so this solves our magic square. Alright, so thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to help us grow, please. See you in another video. Goodbye.